I want to show you about and Nestle and stock. And you can see that if I want to buy right now, I just googled it. I just wrote Nestle stock, and if you can see, if I want to buy right now, I have to pay 102.6 CHF. I'll just search what CHF is in currency. It says it's franc, Swiss franc, and so that's the currency, and that's the currency it's converted into. Okay, so if I want to see the market cap, it's in billions, which means it's a big size firm. The dividend yield is 2.29%. Any firm that pays dividend, that means they're financially very strong. It's a positive sign, because they're financially strong, because after paying their costs, liabilities, loans, stuff like that, they still have money left. That extra money is paid off to shareholders. That means that they're financially strong, and that's brilliant. So that's a good thing to look at. And just go to Wikipedia and check the box and go founded. You can see founded 153 years ago, 1866. And then I want to have a look at, I just want to copy this whole part and I'll paste here and see what the employees have to say about it. I'll check Indeed for these reviews, and you can see there are 7,000 reviews and it's 4.2 star, which is brilliant. You can just read through the reviews yourself. And then I want to see Glassdoor reviews, and you can see Glassdoor is nearly 5,000, like 4,600, and it's 3.8 star. It's nearly 4 reviews. And now you can just read through the reviews yourself. Now I'm gonna go to just your patents and just paste here and enter and see if it has any patents. Now I just want to make sure what that is. Just copy that. Yes, so that is the same as Nestle, so it means it's the same firm, because sometimes the name is different, and that's fine. So I'm not interested in inventor, because these are people who invented but they don't have full rights. I'm only interested in assign your applicant. So this is, as a search in Google in front of you, this is same as Nestle, it appears, so it means it's the same thing. You need to be careful about the name. So they have patent in 1998. They have patent in 1975, 80, 2017. So I'll just copy that and search that. Nestle, yeah, that is Nestle as well. 2017, 2018, and stuff like that. So you need to see if they have recent patents, and the more patents they have, the more stronger they are. And the more stronger they are against their competitors. Now I want to have a look at the Yahoo Finance and see their key executives and their salaries as well. So I'll just paste that there. And Nestle. So now here I just want to point out that I'm looking at NESN. That's the stock symbol. So make sure, because look, there are a lot of names but symbols are different. So I'm looking at NESN. So I can't see here NESN. Let's have a look. This one I'm looking at. So that's Nestle. So that's SA. That's SA, yeah. So Nestle SA I'm looking at. So it's this one. Okay. And that's fine. And you can just go to profile, see the everything, industry, employees, stuff like that. And it has all the key executives, but there's no salary shown. So it's not applicable. So everything is not applicable. So there's no salary shown. And so you need to find out why the salaries haven't been shown, why it's not applicable, because the more information we have, the more transparency about everything. So now I want to have a look at macro trend, which is a brilliant website to see the ratios. Click price ratio and price book ratio and paste in the symbol. Okay, Nestle, Nestle, and it doesn't have anything on Nestle on this website.